In the end, it comes down to a day. 7th or 1st.
Not a symbol, not a metaphor, a literal point of division. The 7th day was blessed, sanctified, and set apart by God.
The first day, Sunday, was declared holy by power, tradition, and law.
It's beginning by attraction, but soon rejection of Sunday will become ugly.
The 7th day, Sabbath, is a sign of loyalty to the Creator.
The first day, Sunday, will become a test of submission to human authority.
Don't be deceived. This isn't about church attendance. It's about who you're gonna obey. Forced rest on the first day is no rest at all.
The final conflict won't start with violence, but it will end that way.
They want you to think that the day won't matter, but it will, and your choice will reveal your allegiance. Choose wisely, choose carefully.